Hi everyone, my name is Stan from Siam Legal and welcome back to this series of 90-day report. Today we'll talk about the guide to 90-day reporting online. Completing your 90-day report online is easy, but you will need to complete your first 90-day report in person first. To do 90-day reporting online in Thailand, you will need to follow these steps. 1. Go to the website of the Immigration Bureau of Thailand, which I will put the link in the description. 2. Click on the notification of staying in the kingdom over 90 days icon, which is under the services section of the website. 3. Enter your personal information, including your passport number, visa type, and the expiration date of your visa. 4. Enter your current address in Thailand, which should match the address on your visa or the work permit. 5. Confirm your information that you entered and submit your application. 6. Wait for the system to process your application. You will receive a confirmation message on the website, which you can print out your records. That's it for the steps, but please be noted that you can only do online 90-day reporting if you have non-immigrant visa or extension of stay. If you are on tourist visa or visa-exempt, you will need to go to an immigration office in person to do your 90-day reporting. It is also important to do your 90-day reporting within 15 days before or after the 90 days mark to avoid any fines and penalties. Thank you for watching this video. Do you have questions about your 90 days report? Or have you exceeded your 90 days? Visit us at siamlegal.com for more information.